The AirPods are undoubtedly one of the most popular pairs of truly wireless earphones, but are unfortunately way too expensive. Enter Realme with the Realme Buds Air, and what you're seeing here is essentially a much cheaper version of the AirPods that looks similar, feels similar, and even has some additional features that even the AirPods don't. So let's quickly check out the top 5 features of the Realme Buds Air and why you should look forward to the official launch on the 17th. Also, before we get started, if you prefer watching videos in Hindi, click the I button to support our new Hindi channel. Let's begin with the most convenient feature, connectivity. The Realme Buds Air, once paired with your smartphone, can automatically connect to it each time you open up the lid of the box. That's pretty cool. They also disconnect automatically each time you put the buds back in and close the box. Next comes in-ear detection, and this is really handy when you want to have a quick conversation with someone. When you remove one of the earbuds from your ears while playing something, it automatically pauses the music or video and resumes it when you put the bud back in your ear. Saves the time of hitting the pause button every single time. Similar to wear detection, we also have touch controls on the Realme Buds Air that can be used to perform multiple functions like play or pause music, skip tracks, trigger Google Assistant, take calls, etc. Again, it's all about convenience here. Another cool feature of the Realme Buds Air has to be the low latency mode, or in short, a gaming mode. This mode basically reduces latency of the sound to a bare minimum while gaming to ensure minimum delay in transmission. The final feature on our list today is wireless charging, and the fact that Realme has incorporated a feature like this at this price point is commendable. While the Type-C port was already fantastic, you can also just lay the Realme Buds Air on a wireless charger and you're good to go. The Realme Buds Air is shaping out to be a perfect package, at least in terms of the feature set, and if you want to know more about these features in detail and about the sound quality and other aspects, stay tuned for our full review and even a comparison with the AirPods to help you decide if you should get the Realme Buds Air. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you around.